Okay, you need to go sit down and put your seatbelt on.
Oof. Oof.
We got Amy over there.
I'm eating.
Preparing la carne asada. Taking all that fat.
We already got too much fat in our bodies. Though.
Where's the fat at? A ver, levanta la mano. The kids. Amy. Meme. Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Stop being rude.
Hi.
Amy.
Hi. Hi. Hi, y'all. I'm sorry. Let me see. I'm not going to take pictures. You're lucky I snapped them before they fell in the ground in time.
Leave that for now.
Look at that. Can you cover them?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Junior, say hi.
Hi.
You're relaxing, huh?
Not comfy, it's very comfy.
Cool. Sup.
Sup. Come here and look. I am looking. Great. Mommy.
What?
Mommy, look, we got it up there. We're putting it on the tree because it's easier. Don't expose me. I'm getting it.
Just sag a little bit. That's fine. Just think now you're like, if you were to fall, you're only like. Mario's gonna tighten his end a little bit.
If you're gonna fight, you're gonna use shit. Really.
Here, you wanna have that real quick? We're gonna tighten this end. Mario, tighten it for you.
Mario did not go to Boy Scout.
Woo!
You okay? Something fell in your eye. Oh.
I got that kid?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you go. We have to switch it out like that so it'll work for you because you're little. I think I can lay on it and good. But you have to do it very slowly because we don't want it to go too much. I mean, you're asleep. I can hide out. I need taking the map in a truck. You know that? How's Amy keeping in truck?
Why are you all dirty? No, you're gonna hurt yourself. Babe, she is no longer 6 pounds. She's 100 and...
She's no longer 6.
Yeah.
Good Lord, Mama, I could have.
You could have fucked up your back.
Now it's about just getting kind of stretching out a little bit.
Yeah, fix yourself.
And relax, because you're not. It's not gonna fall.
Oh my
It's not gonna fall.
It's not gonna fall. You're good.
And she falls and I have it on video.
The good thing it would only be about a foot, but still, you might have a bruise in your butt.
Rock-a-bye, baby. Not too hard.
That is my life.
Not so
Don't put it,
hard.
mommy. Don't put it. I want to put it. No. Ready? Set. Go.
That's so hard. No, don't do it. Don't do it. That's supposed to be a swing.
My turn. It is nice. My turn.
Is it?
My turn. I just feel like it's sleeping here. My turn.
Fine.
My hat.
No, it's my hat.
No.
Junior, stop being mean.
My hat.
Okay. You guys are all dirty, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna push it down for you.
Can you
If
get
he's
it?
like littler, it'll work more for him. Go in. But turn the other way. Turn the other way. Yeah. Hey, you feel helpless like a little baby.
No.
So your hands like this.
Oh my God.
And then put your feet in.
Fix yourself.
Scoot up. Scoot more up.
No, like that.
There you
more
go.
in. So your
Déjalo.
feet work.
He's fine. There you go. Let me see, Junior. Let me see your face. So I can take a picture. Aw, you look so cute.
Come, somebody walk me now.
Fine. I'm not.
Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop.
Ready?
When the wind blows, the cradle will rock.
Now. Bye.
Not so fast. No, not so fast.
Can you hold it?
You don't want him to eat poop. There you go.
Go fast. I like fast. I like fast.
It's a
Hi, guys. I'm here with Haley and Junior.
Help! Hi.
We're just here relaxing on our long weekend. They brought us off-roading and I don't know.
Put me on.
Everybody's over there. See,
Whee!
they're over there.
And Amy's sleeping in the car.
And Amy's in the car sleeping. I think she's on her phone.
No, look.
Daddy took her phone.
Oh, he took her phone? Oh, she took her phone.
Walk me faster. Other baby. Walk
Let me see, because my hand hurts.
Faster. Faster than that.
I hope you guys are having a good long weekend. These kids. Say hi to Tia.
Hi, Tia.
Hi, Theo.
Say hi to Adeline.
Hi, Adeline.
Look where we're at.
Let me hold. Hold it.
El Mario cocinando, míralo.
Hold it. Long like a baby.
Babe!
Hold it.
Mario!
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
Con su amigo.
Do that hard.
Look.
Sardine.
And then Amy's sleeping in the truck like a lazy ass.
Look.